Hello there to those in the sign of Libra. Here to do a general reading. So feel free to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. I'm just going to go with whatever the cards say. And see if this is your storyline. Remember, this is just for entertainment purposes only. So everything is your decision. We're just going to take a peek and see what these cards can say. We have a treasure chest here, and we have the bird in a cage and one looks like making its way out of something, being uprooted here. A major move in your life of some sort of spiritual development. And you are an air sign here, so maybe that's just your form of expression here. You're wanting to break free from something and really express yourself here. What's going on, Libra? So a lot of flight here, maybe in the mind. Ladybug. It's a good time of, this is a time of good fortune and abundance, so be willing to receive all good things in your life. Cool. So whatever's in that treasure chest can be that abundance that you're seeking here. When you fly out of that cage there, whatever had been holding you back. Black Jaguar, old soul. Walk through life with confidence and grace. You have power from beyond the world. Focus on what you really want. You can create your dreams. I don't know if you can see that image, is so dark, but that is so cool. Got the old soul and good fortune. So let's look at the tarot and see what it has to say for you, Libra. So you may see a ladybug outside in the grass or something, or a black cat. That could be talking about your intuition, or like your past life remembrance or something like that, if you believe. And things like that. We have the High Priestess, Temperance, Page of Wands, Hanged Man, Four of Wands, Two of Swords. Interesting. So very mysterious energy with that old soul in the High Priestess right off the bat. Scorpio, Pisces, Sagittarius energy, a celebratory energy here, just waiting here in the ethers. Hanged Man. Why is it in the Hanged Man position? Something you really want to go after, but yeah, you like really want to go after this. I don't know if this is fire energy here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We do have Sagittarius here. Could be a younger Sagittarius that you're dealing with, or it's something that's just taking a really long time, that is taking such a long time to come together here. You don't see, when it's going to come together. Two of Swords is blindfolded here. Or you have a decision to make here on freeing yourself from something, to allowing yourself to seeing things from a different perspective, maybe, to allowing that good fortune in, that remembrance that you deserve it. Let's see. Hanged Man. This is also very mysterious already. Let's get some clarity. So we have a few signs you could be dealing with, but I think mainly this is about your fortune. Whatever it is you consider a fortune in your box, your treasure chest, your that thing that you're after, that everybody's after, that achievement. You're an old soul, and it's saying to take what's yours. It's just in this hanged man position for some reason. 5 of Pentacles. So intuitively, maybe this is some sort of loss you feel here, that you feel worthy of gaining back. We have the initials BJ. We have something taking a long time, a lot of loss or grief here. 3 of Pentacles. I don't know if this is a partnership or just the earth energy you're dealing with here. Like you're trying to get something started, some creative project maybe with somebody, or maybe not with somebody. 3 of Pentacles insinuating it is with somebody here. King of Swords. So it's like some hidden knowledge here, especially with that sword here in this image. And the key, it's some sort of hidden knowledge with the moon here, with the High Priestess as well. There is something maybe hidden here to you, or maybe you know it deep down intuitively. I wonder what it is. 8 of Swords. So that's that hanged man position, almost being frozen in time. Good fortune awaits you, but it's like frozen in time right now. That's very interesting to me, Libra. 7 of Wands. Feels like you really had to fight for this too. Wow. 3 of Wands on the bottom. It's flying in at you though. It's fire energy. Some sort of something that you drew into you, towards you, is coming now. And it's taken such a long time. You fought for this for lifetimes, you would say, you know? Yeah, it's like you've been here before. You've fought for this, and you deserve this. 3 of Wands coming in at you with the 3 of Pentacles. After experiencing some sort of loss here. What else for Libra? Alright. 10 of Wands, Ace of Wands. 3 of Swords, Knight of Swords. So the Wheel of Fortune here, especially with the ladybug, the good fortune. So you had to drop a burden. And once you drop that burden, it freed you for this project that you've been wanting to start, if it is a project. Whatever it is that you intuitively been wanting to start, Libra, it's maybe a creative project here with the Ace of Wands. It may be something you speak, something you write, something very important to you that you worked on with somebody. The Wheel of Fortune's here to move in quickly to turn this around for you. This pain, because whatever it is actually caused you pain. I mean, 7 of Wands, always having to defend yourself, even with the 8 of Swords here, gaining the mental clarity with the King of Swords. It takes great strength, and that's what it's showing. The wheel is turning in your favor here and allowing this blessing to come into you. So will you accept it? Something that you intuitively know. We have Scorpio energy. We have Pisces you could be dealing with. We also have the King of Swords. That could be you, Libra. We have the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, it looks like once you drop this burden, it just turns this wheel. And all of a sudden, you may be just receiving a lot of insight on what it is now you know you need to do and go towards with the Knight of Swords. Right there, just charging forward with that air energy. Yeah, whatever that was, just broke your heart almost, waiting for it to come together. But once you drop that and let that go, that waiting, maybe that's what you dropped. Maybe that's the burdens you dropped, was the stagnancy and allowing it to affect you. So once you did that, it opened up for blessings and all these good ideas came pouring in. And not only will it heal your heart chakra, open up your communication. It's opening up this dream of yours you've always had. That's very key to your growth. And it even opened the door to this cage here. The key on the other image. I mean, it opened up for this bird to keep flying here into its great fortune. Starting with the High Priestess is very mysterious to you. Maybe you don't know this. Maybe you are unaware that things are turning in your favor here, and you're still toiling and toiling away. But once you drop that burden and drop this loss here with the Five of Pentacles, you won't feel left out in the cold. You'll feel in your element here. All right, that's a very lucky time for you, Libra, pulling the Wheel of Fortune and the Ladybug. So I wish you a very lucky night. And I hope this truly did give insight to somebody if this resonated. All right, thank you so much for viewing. Good night.